Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Genesis G90 3.3T Premium. Really nice luxury sedan right here. I think the G90 is very underrated. It offers amazing luxury even when it was new, for a great price point compared to the German rivals and European rivals. And in the used market, it's an insane value as well. This is a very beautiful interior. This is the last year before they redesigned the whole car. This still has like the older interior design, but the exterior was designed for like 1 or 2 years. You have heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats, 3.3 turbo, 6-cylinder, 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a touchscreen as well as you can use the center controller. You have a analog gauge cluster with the screen in the center. 365 horsepower, same engine power as the Kia Stinger GT and the Genesis G90 3.3T, of course. Well, let's walk around this car. You have the Lexicon sound system, but obviously the back seat is where it's at in this car. Truly executive experience in the back seat in this vehicle. Look at this. This is amazing. Great leg room. This is so cool. Heated rear seats. You can close and lower the sunshade, move the front seats front and back, and you can also control the screen from back here, which is really cool. This is awesome. You also have a suede headliner. Really nice wheels. I think this looks really good. The big shield grille looks really nice, really classy. It's a really nice looking car. Tail light goes all across the back. Pretty big trunk, considering it's an executive sedan. That makes sense. You have nice thick plush floor mats. You have a wireless charging tray, as you can see my phone in there. Let's get this car out for a drive. Really smooth, really quiet in here, of course. I really like this two-tone white with brown interior. It's really beautiful. I really like executive sedans. They're so classy, regardless of the brand. I just love big sedans in general, you know. God, great power. You can also get a V8 with this vehicle. But even this 3.3 turbo, which is probably more reliable in the long run, has amazing power, considering it's the same power in the engine in the Stinger GT and the Genesis G90. Really smooth and great pickup. It's great. Yeah, it's a great drive. It's so comfortable, so quick, so luxurious. And look at the buttons. They're like all metal buttons. It's such high quality. And then I just put the vehicle in sport mode and just squeeze the seats and the bolsters around me, which is really nice. Such great driving feel to this car. All the materials feel amazing. Like, the leather's so soft. You have a head-up display. It's a wonderful vehicle right here. I really love this car. And that's, as I said, like, the place where you will get the best experience is not only, not only the back seat, because a lot of like executive sedans, they're not fun to drive, but this car is fun to drive. It's still really sporty, which I love. how fast this thing is. And the back seat, like, you can either be chauffeured in this thing or take your friends, family members for a great luxury. It's like a limo back there. I'm just so impressed with like the switchgear. It's so nice. This is an amazing car. You feel so cocooned from the road in this car. It's so great. I just can't say enough great things about this car. I really love it. And the problem with the Genesis G90 when it first came out was that it just looked too plain, but this facelifted model looks way better. It actually looks like a luxury sedan. And then especially the outgoing model looks even better than this one does. It's fantastic. So you can take your phone out of the charger like that. And then you can just put it right back. So it's easy to take out and in. Well, let's explore the menu a little bit. You have something called sounds. I like the feedback from the center dial. It gives you feedback when you turn it, like to make you feel like you actually did something, which is nice. So sounds of nature. Calm sea waves. I guess if you just want to sit in your car and have like an ambient sound in the background, you could do that. Interesting little gimmick right there. Nice sunroof. I love the suede headliner. It's just so nice. Press this button and then you can open the center console to fit your items in there. The Lexicon speaker grills are massive. They look really good. As I said, I really like this white and brown interior. It's gorgeous. You definitely have to be careful with it though, because you can get the steering wheel really dirty easily. You can get like the seats dirty, especially if you spill any food or drinks or anything like that. I like the the placement of the shifter. It's nice. It's like, and it fits around your hand really well. You see that? It's nice. You can rest your hand on it, and you have a nice 360-degree camera system as well. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Really nice Genesis logo embossed into the headrest. Headrest feels really soft and great. But overall, this is an amazing vehicle. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Greb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for beautiful vehicles like this Genesis G90.